A skinny person's guide to gain muscles quickly. Want to gain more muscle mass? While the number one fitness goal for most people is losing weight, others struggle with being skinny. The end of your skinny trouble is putting on some muscle. Whether you have a goal which is engaging in bodybuilding or simply just to fit into that desired t-shirt, you would always begin from somewhere. There are several things needed to do to gain some muscle. Muscle building, which we would see in a while, is just one. Stay glued to your seat as we dive into several ways to stack up as many pounds as you can weekly. But before we get started, remember to smash the like button and ring the notification bell to keep up to date with our future videos. Have you done that? Now let's move on. Number 1. Maximize muscle building. Did you know muscles develop more with more protein reserves? Your body uses protein in carrying out several tasks, such as hormone production. As a result, little is left for muscle production. To manage this, you must fill up and store new protein reserves faster than your body breaks the old ones. Number 2. Needless to say, eating is crucial in muscle gaining. Tons of proteins, for starters, are required for building blocks of muscles. Carbohydrates provide energy for your body. Insufficient carbs would push your body to start rising up muscles and proteins as energy sources. Foods such as steak, pasta, fish, rice, and oats are muscle fuel foods. Number 3. You must eat more often while gaining muscle as your body needs the nutrients. 3 meals a day is not enough. It's best to have a heavy breakfast and snack 2 hours later. A snack after every 3 hours provides enough help in the building of muscles. Number 4. Forget about machines and abs-oriented exercises. Compound exercises do the trick. The former is not quite effective, especially at the start when you have to build muscles all around your body. Highly engaging exercises such as squats, deadlifts, pull-ups, bench presses, and military presses are best. These exercises challenge your body. 2 to 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps with a 1 minute rest between sets would do just fine. Number 5. After a full body workout, lift, ensure a day of rest. Research shows that challenging weight exercises acts as a booster to protein synthesis for as long as up to 4 to 8 hours after your workout session. Also, muscles do not grow when they are worked out, but rather when they are at rest. Number 6. Having a shake rich in carbohydrates and required amino acids is needed for muscle gain. As exercise boosts blood flow in working tissue, having a carbohydrate protein mixture before a workout would make for greater uptake on amino acids in the body. About 10 to 20 grams of proteins in your shake before a workout is great as proteins are absorbed faster. Did you like this video? Hit the like button and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to punch the subscribe button for more amazing videos.